that when we count the number of digits for this number, so it will be the 4, right? So 4 is the even digit count. Okay. Now in the second step, we need to make this number into two halves, like 20 and 25. So now plus these two numbers, which is like a 45. So make a square to this. So when you do square for this, we will get the output as 2025. This 2025, which is equals to the initial number n. So this is nothing but a text number. Okay. Now I think you got the idea on text number. Why the DC count means, suppose if you take odd digit count number, let it be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So is it possible to make this number into two halves? No, right? So that's why we need the even digit count. Okay. Again, in making the half, why this DC again further is used to count separate these numbers. Like here the digit count is 4, right? So 4 by 2. Okay. Digit count by 2, which is like 2, right? So 2 will gives output. 2 will gives output as 100. Okay. So we need to get the 100. Why means when you divide 100 so with 2025, we will get the quotient as 20 and remainder as 25. See here, subtraction has happened. Like here, like this is a left half and this is a right half. Okay. So left half is quotient. Okay. Left half is quotient and right half is remainder. Okay. Suppose if the digit count is 6, then DC by 2, which is 3, right? So 3 means you will get the output as 1000. So 1000 by something number like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then here you will get the 2, 3, 4 and at the remainder you will get the 5, 6, 7. Okay. So this is how the DC variable will work. This is nothing but the digit count. Okay. Now let us do the program for this. I think I cleared all the thing regarding a text number in the notes. Now let us move into the programming section. Okay. Let us take the same number 2025. Okay. Int n equals to 2025. Now first let us count the digits, right? So int DC, initially it is a 0. So we need another variable like a temp. Let it be temp. Why? Because at the last we need to compare, right? We need to compare with the initial number. So when we do operations on directly n, we lose the number in n. Okay. So that's why we are taking some another variable. Let it be temp. Okay. Now take take a loop. Let it be while loop until temp not equals to 0. Till to that we need to count the digits. Counting the digits, we have seen this logic many times in last videos. So if you are not getting this means, once watch those videos. Now temp here, first let us write the addition for temp only. Okay. Temp by temp equals to temp by 10. This is the meaning. Okay. In the above line, we do like DC plus plus. Okay. When I print the DC, we need to get the output as 4. Okay. Here see, we are getting the output as it is taking time. We are getting output as 4. Okay, this is fine. Later we need to get this 100 like tens power. Okay, we are getting tens powers, right? This produces the 10 power 2. This producing 10 power 3, right? So here 10 power, let it be TP. Okay. Into TP 10 powers. Okay. Initially it is a 1. While we need another variable like I. This is for conditioning purpose. Like until I less than or equals to DC by 2 we need to run, right? What is the condition here? DC by 2, right? DC means digit count by 2. So here I plus plus. First let us do the addition only. Here it is the last step. I plus plus is the last step in the loop. So first step is TP into equals to 10, which is nothing but a TP equals to TP into 10. TP nothing but the 10 powers. Okay, when I print the TP, when I run this, we need to get the output as 1000. Okay, here we have done some mistake, one error showing where we done it. So here we declared but not initialize the I value, right? So initially the I value is 1. Okay, this is a mistake we have done. See, here we are getting the 100. If the digit count is 6, okay. If the digit count is 6, let us change here. If the digit count is 6, then we need to get the this 10 powers as like TP value as 1000. Okay. When I run this, here you can see we are getting 1000. This is working fine. Now let us remove this. Okay, we got the this 10 powers factor, this 10 power thing also. Now let us move into the second step. In the second step, what we have, we need to make the left half and right half of the given number. Okay, int left half. Left half is nothing but the given number by the TP value, right? Left half, which is we need to store the coefficient, right? So we are storing coefficient, and right half is the remainder. For the remainder, we need to go for the percentage symbol, right? Right half, which is equals to n by like n percentile TP. Okay. Now sum, like int sum equals to left half plus right half. Right, we reach it to 45. Okay, we reach it to 44. Now we need to square this sum, right? Int sum square. Okay, sum square, which is equals to sum into sum. Okay. Now first let us print the sum square. So after that, let us make the condition: is it a text number or not? Now when I run this, in the output screen we need to get the 2025. So we are getting correct answer. Now let us write the conditions for it. Like if the sum square, which is equals to the initial number n, then it is an indication like text number. Otherwise, it is not a text number. Okay, copying this, and else not a text number. Now when I run this, we need to get the output as text number. Okay, see, it is giving successfully. Now let us take another number, let it be 29. Okay, so when I run this, we need to get the output like it is showing not a text number. Now another text number is 3035, also text number. Once let us verify with it. So you may Google it what are the text numbers. So you will get a list of many text numbers. You can verify with this code. Now when I run this, we need to get the output as text number. It is showing not a text number. So why it is showing as not a text number? Let us print the value along with it, like sum square. So what is the sum square with this? I'm copying this value and I am pasting here. Now when I run this, let us see the sum square also. What is the sum square? It is a 40 to 25, so that's why it is not a text number. So that's all for this video. If you learned anything in this video, please do a like and subscribing. Thank you for watching.